Okay guys, welcome back. Tara, magsagot tayo ng quiz. Ito. Cool Summer Quiz 1. So ayan, tanong. Boss rate is one of Nycro's key content. Which of the following times is the incorrect time when the boss terrace appear? Yun, no? Alas 9, check. Alas 12. Alas 6, alas santo. Alas 8. So ito mali. Siyempre, alas 6 yung mali, boss. Kasi alas 9, check. Alas 12, alas 8. O, ang sagot ay letter C. O, ano daw yung hindi kasali in correct time? So, ito yun, alas 6. Wala namang alas 6. Dapat to alas 4. Alright, tas alas 8. So, alas 6, walang alas 6. Vote. O, submit vote. Okay. O, vote complete na mga boss. Siyempre, ayun o. Baka magkamali pa kayo dyan mga boss ha. Letter C ang sagot. So, yan ay 3 days mga boss. Tapos, syempre, makikita mo siya sa patch, sa notice. Click mo lang to. Tapos, kung kailan hanggang Miyerkules yan, guys. Ito yan. iSchool Summer Quiz. So, ibig sabihin, mag-e-end yan ng July 12. Tapos, ano yung mga reward? Halimbawa, participation reward. So, ibig sabihin, yung nag-participate lang. Since nilalagin yung account mo dyan, so, possible na hindi ka makakuha ng 10 Morion, Dazzling Element, Extraction. Tapos, ito. Kapag winner, halimbawa, tama yung sagot, ayan, another summon na naman, no? Seal of Advancement and Element Extraction. So, sobrang daming summon. 44 na agad, guys. Tapos, kapag ikaw pa yung 10 sa mga napiling nanalo, ayan, meron kang Splendid ulit, Higher Seal, Splendid. So, maraming summon. Sayang lang, 3 days lang yan. Tuwing alas 2 ng hapon. So, starting na siya ngayon, pwede kang sumali hanggang July 29. Ayun, ang reward distribution is hanggang July 30. Okay? So, salihan mo yan. Nakalagay naman dito, precaution. Only one entry per account is allowed. Answer can only be voted during the event period. Crew can vote by logging in the homepage and setting a main character. So, yun. Only one vote can be made per quiz. One crew has voted for an answer. The answer cannot be changed. Event reward will be sent to the in-game and will not be tradable. Event can be claimed by one character per account. Event reward must be claimed within 14 days. Mawawala daw. In-game email. So, sa mail na pala, rekta na eh. Reward content distributed, they can be changed due to circumstances. So, possible na yung reward is ma-delay. Basta makukuha mo daw siya starting July 30. So, yung reward makukuha sa July 30. Sana. Yan, okay na tayo guys. Ang sagot sa unang quiz ay letter C. Ulitin ko ulit, dito siya kiniklik sa Cool Summer Quiz. Ilagay ko na lang yung link sa baba. So yan, ang sagot ay ito. Baka magkamali pa guys ha. O yun o. Walang magkakamali dyan para alright. So yun, kopyahan na, let's go!